Hello. Welcome back. And as you can guess, we're back at this page, kind of like where we left off. We don't know what the hell. Basically, what happened is that we clicked this. So far we're doing good. Probation length in years. And we got a bunch of crap. Obviously, these buttons don't work. So we got to fix that in a bit. But I think the main issue was, as you see, crime is undefined. And on closer look, judge certain crimes. As you can see, we got 25 of them. And if you click it, where is ID? ID is nowhere. So, for I think the 50th time, we have to go back and fix issues with the back end. So, first of all, I know there's an ID in it. I mean, it's... Part of me wished to... Oh, yeah, it's... Oh, I see. Capitals. Okay, judge. Details, search. I don't want to... Search ID. Here we go. Direct up parameters ID. What are we returning? Conditions, crimes. Attributes, judge crime attributes. Let's see what judge crime attributes is. Judge crime attributes, as you can see, is a lowercase. So let's make you capital. And fix you. I just want to see if it has to be in the right area or not. Alright. Crime 1. Yeah, undefined. Are you actually here low? Yeah, ID right there. Okay, so it could be it doesn't matter where it is. Maybe it actually takes a little bit longer for it to populate. Like if you needed to fetch 10 million things. Maybe it might matter if it's in the beginning or the back, but at the present moment, I don't care. Okay. Is ID. We don't need G equals crime. Okay, so that part is good. What's crime? For crimes, a certain judge. Good, we got that. Judge crime list. It's interesting. I just don't know where I got that term crime up here. Should have known that. Crime. Key crime.id. We got a number 2 there. Just load it back up. Crime above average 1. So undefined. Judgy.id? No, it is judgy.id. There we go. Okay, so we fixed that mess. This next thing I think is just to fix these buttons. So let's figure out what we're doing wrong with these buttons. Disabled, current page equals 0. Previous 10, next 10, clear results. Who entered the judges? And if it sounds like crimes list times item per page, okay. And I had this in some other one. What other ones did I do where it kind of worked? Let's try this one. Items per page 10. And I mean, I'm calling them items per page 10, even though clearly these things are called next 20. What's that going on back there? Aurora Borealis. Yeah, Simpsons. Okay. Next, set current page plus 1. Good. Previous 20. Okay, that works well. And okay. Unique judges equals judges. Crime list, same thing. Start equals times items per page. End equals start plus items. Okay, you're just not being used yet. Instead of judges, we're just calling them crimes, which I understand. Doing something wrong here. Okay, I guess I copy, paste. There we go. I'm just going to call you paginated crimes. Crimes equals unique crimes dot slice start end. Just want to see if this thing's erroring out. Oh yeah, we still have millions of them, but we're gonna have to refresh them anyway. Okay. Set current page. Good. And current items per page 10. So we're just gonna roll with this lie. Paginated unique crimes. I'm not going to call it unique crimes, we're calling it paginated crimes. Dot map crime. Good. Should be good. And I think we're down to, well, better than it was. Okay, so we got these buttons to work. 3. We got a bunch of them. Next. Okay, good. And it's better than it was. I don't know if I want to push this in the middle or even make items per page just smaller. I don't know, for some reason this is like my style. I'd just rather it's all just fit in one page so you don't have to scroll. Otherwise I would just have this here and another lump over here. Even though I still don't know what like, because I'm gonna have to get lawyer info. I'm gonna have to get a bunch of other info that's eventually like I just need I want to reserve some of this for like blank space because the stuff I'm scraping is it's going to have like all the lawyer info too, so you can see what lawyers do better with certain cases compared to other ones. So I don't know if they're going to need some sort of data, some space on this page in the future or not. If worse comes to worse, I'll just change the CSS. But that's good. Consider this slightly a success because at least these things good at things now. So let's... Okay. Crime. Search. Judge crime. Comparison for blank. Okay, I can see where a lot of this is just simply going to be more of a copy and paste exercise again. So we're going to go figure out where the hell this is linking to. Judge crime card. Where's Judge crime card going to? Judge crime card is going to judges/crime/judge EID. So let's go here. Here, judge comparison details. You need a screen. Good. So can we say judge search is good? I'm just gonna go ahead and say it's good. So let's go to judge comparison details and figure out what the hell we're gonna do. You'll use params, use effect. Let's get rid of this console log. If ID is uploaded to true, okay. Bang is look good. Good. Yeah, it's just basically just go where we came from. By crime, I don't even think I did this section yet at all. Well, the buttons obviously don't work. Okay, so the first thing I could think here, this obviously has to be a capital. Just make sure. Yep, there we go. Defense. Okay, judge details dot judge. And all this data has to be changed now. Don't we know that? So blank. Yeah, person not to have weapons. What's wrong with having a weapon? Weapons are fun. I was recording. I'm on DevTools. There we go. Okay. Judge details dot supers. Total cases year. Average incarceration year. Judge details max sentence year. Min sentence year. Standard deviation sentence year. Good. Judge details goes bye-bye. But actually... County, okay, so now we just have to figure out what county details is. State jot comparison crimes. County crime get. There we are. I mean, they're gonna have the same thing. I could see myself copying and pasting the wrong thing eventually. County details. County as a whole. Good. This one, 2. No. Cut. Paste. County details, average incarceration year. 6 years for carjacking. Oh, apparently in the past 7 years, there was only 1 case of carjacking in Middlesex County. So, if you don't want to be carjacked, consider moving there. Now, let's go to state as a whole, which is going to be state details, judge comparison crimes, state crime. Boink. Boink. State as a whole, county as a whole. Just make you capital. Okay. I mean, I'm not. At least, no. Just want to make sure that I'm getting the right. Just want to make sure, like, I'm confident the data's the correct data. Okay. So we're going to finally answer the question. Total cases year. Average incarceration is 6.7. So it's not that much of a difference. Max 8. Minimum sentence 5. And obviously we don't have a standard deviation yet. Okay, good. So at least we got this basic stuff done. And we could figure out strategy-wise. Because what I'm thinking, this just looks weird. And the other thing I noticed is that the standard deviations for these two are obviously not working. And I wonder why. No. No. How can I make this into some sort of ternary then? Yeah, time to cheat. I have this in a React page. Is there any way to make a ternary or something that turns it to if it is null? This is the syntax I was thinking of. What syntax looks better? Probably just this. And just took it out because this is how you learned. Oh, I should have known this. Just not available, not applicable, not anything. I just want to find something like there might be more. Okay, good. Because now, as you can see, at least when there is a standard deviation, it does populate. So we're good. I'm just going to go ahead and make a standard deviation one for the state. H4 standard deviation. And we're just making U N A. Fix this. There we go. Now it's all nice and pretty. So let's just copy and paste from other crap, and we could get this up and running. It's basically what we need. As you could guess, it's the same thing for Judge Landing. Or Judge Details, I think. When where we had a bunch of crap. Yeah, it's going to be this crap. Are these things called state details? You'll see, or this is good because now we're just going to copy and paste a lot of this and just change the good jail time. And yeah, all we had to do is just change the classes. Yeah, that's your pointless point of React trivia today. All these things share the classes, so if you just name them the same in each thing, basically you're just gonna you can enter a class here, that, and if you add it to a class on this one over here, it'll still go by that class's property. So it's easy to mangle these things if you're not careful. So I don't know why we're calling it React output. That's what I'm writing down. That's what I'm writing down. Use present time. Copy and paste in this crap. And to prove it to you, I like these buttons. I mean, they're not like great buttons, but I don't know why I'm using these buttons. I'm just going to use these buttons. Same stuff, different page, but same buttons. Blank and blank because we didn't change it or even use them yet. Well, we do. The buttons work. We obviously need to add this crap. And copy you. The spaces don't mean anything, but they make it look nicer. Okay, so that, what's this one? No, that one's bad. We don't need that one. So we're just going to go here and there. Turn it to true, and boom. Bye. But we can't because we already have, perfect. Okay. Now let's position time. React output jail time. Isn't this fun? React output probation. It's fun just reusing all these things because all the things are the same, but we'll find out briefly if we actually got the same. Pretty sure. Ew. Okay, good. Yeah, so that. Okay, good. Change class names around. Random crime judge details. Obviously, we didn't. Details div. Yeah, these things are all mangled. Okay, so we just have to make sure that these other ones are legit as well. The problem too is that I see that this one has a little parent div. These ones don't. So I just want to change that thing. Okay, because yeah, we have this, but we also have a parent div. And we should be getting an error, I think. Alt-Shift F. Okay, good. Oh, never mind. And here. And that answers that other question. It just automatically made it. I didn't want you to automatically make it in that case because I wanted you to help me with my inadequacies. So now we have to continue judge or see details div and plot this in every single one of them. No, you don't need two of the same thing. And you don't need two of the same thing too. That's probably where you're getting your problems from. And you need this one. And you need this one changed a bit. And you need this one changed a bit. Now let's go up here to this final one. And make sure they're all the same. Even though I'm pretty sure they are at this point. So let's see what this looks like now. Got this. Good. 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 Alright. And the only issue is these two, I have the standard deviation. This date one, obviously, I don't. So let's just add the standard deviation, fix this, as it's a way of reminding me to fix it. If it actually went that easy. Good, good, good. Alright. Local crumb, good. Good, 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 good. And she apparently has a soft spot for aggravated assault cases. AB. Okay, so this is... Which one's this called? Judge comparison details. Where does it sound? That one's Clark. Alright. And I think this is a good spot to end this recording. 33 minutes. This is North Sentinel Island officially signing out. Next time we'll begin the counties.